Hi, it's Lauren, and I'm so excited to share with you the new Lucky Duckies 4x6 clear stamp. This brand new set is available today at the Whimsy Stamps shop. There are 5 adorable images here. We have a first one with the duck inside of a bucket, a duck that is laying upside down in the grass, and we have 3 button flowers. We have 4 different sentiment stamps: Just Ducky, Hope Your Day Is, Quacky Birthday, and You Quack Me Up. So let's stamp out all of these adorable images and sentiments in some black ink and white cardstock. I'm going to start with the very cute duck in a bucket, and this stamp stamps out to be 2 1/4 wide by 2 5/8 tall. Our next image is our adorable upside down duck, and this duck stamps 3 inches wide by 1 7/8 inch tall. And then our 3 button flowers, this first one here is 1 1/4 inch wide by 1 5/8 inch tall, and the same dimensions for our second flower. And our final flower is 1 1/4 wide by 1 3/4 inch tall. And then we have our adorable sentiments again: You Quack Me Up. I think that one's my favorite. Quacky Birthday, which is so cute. I love that quacky is used instead of happy. Hope Your Day Is, which you can partner up with the sentiment Just Ducky. So how cute are these images and sentiments? Here is a card I made using the adorable upside down duck and the quacky birthday sentiment. I also used the flowers to create my own background on this craft paper. I hope you'll check out this brand new stamp set as well as all of the amazing new products releasing today. I will have a link down to purchase the new Lucky Duckies stamp set, as well as links to Whimsy Stamps Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram for more inspiration. Have a great day!